All right. Hey guys, gals, viewers. Emil Peter here, coming to you from lovely Deer Ridge Park. Today is not necessarily much of a glade day, as it is a day trimming up along the path around the retention pond, which is good because it needs it. Keep things from being overgrown, let everybody walk through, access to the retention pond. See the sights. Don't let everything get out of control and look nasty. It is a public park after all. But I got a little overzealous, I suppose. Got myself stuck on the mower, but it's a fairly capable mower, but I just used my handy dandy John Deere Gator. I gotta come up with a nickname for that thing. If you've got one, throw it down there. Maybe we'll use it. But lovely day, beautiful day. Come see the park. I'm getting my steps in, walking around. Definitely think you guys should too. But I was thinking, it's an important thing to have public parks, to have public spaces, to have public green areas, not just necessarily your local park, but also national forests, national parks, county, state, city, local, national, regional, that kind of thing. And I guess it led me to, someone's been busy eating acorns. It led me to thinking, if you've got all these divisions of parks, why wouldn't there be an international park? Like, who would run that? The UN? Maybe. I don't know. Just parks at different levels. And then I'm guessing, I feel like Antarctica, with the research station that's there, is probably as close as you get to one of those. I don't know. This is just random thoughts popping around, bouncing around. But you should come to your local park. Any park. Get out, see the sights, see what they have to offer, where they are. And if you find the grounds crew out there stuck, help them out. Because they're a bunch of dumbasses, and this is what we do sometimes. Just remember, we're probably pretty capable and we can handle it, yada, yada, yada. But offer a hand, it's appreciated. Yeah, so that's about all I had right now. It's a short walk, not a lot of steps. Yeah, I saw a kingfisher today, the bird kingfisher. Really pretty. It's down over here on my walk to go get the thing, the gator. Yeah. Anyhow, come see it. It's a lot. It's pretty. It's nice. It's pretty nice. All right. Next time.